DIY dog Halloween costumes. The first one is going to be a dinosaur. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape all the edges around it that are peeling off. Now that I have it like this, what I'm going to do is just cut it again vertically. Now I'm going to tape down the edges that need to be taped down again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, starting from this corner, I'm going to cut a little wedge out that's not too big. This size or a little bigger works. Now I'm just going to repeat that on this side. Oh. Now that I have this shape, all I'm going to do is just cut it down the middle. And now we have 2 triangles. Now I'm just going to repeat this because we need 4 for each part of it. So 4 toilet paper tubes. I finished all 16 of them, and I just want to mention that mine aren't all the same size, and it's okay if they're not. You can make them perfect if you want. Now the next step I'm going to do is take hot glue and glue 4 together. Okay, so now that I've got all 4 of them glued, some of the edges are really off. So right now I'm just going to trim some of the extra off. So I trimmed that, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint green paint all over them, and I might have to do multiple coats. Hi guys, it's currently like 5 days later now, but I finally finished the dinosaur painting ones. I put about 4 coats on each side, and I put like 2 coats on the sides. Also, I'm really sorry about the lighting, but now it's dark outside, so the lighting isn't as bright in my house. Then what I'm going to do with those is the plain green shirt, I'm just going to measure it out and put this on timber and measure out where I want to glue them on before I glue them on. Don't glue them on while the shirt's on your dog. That will hurt a lot. I let it dry overnight, and now the dinosaur costume is finished. Just one problem. When I was gluing on the spikes and then I started painting them, I kind of missed a little bit and painted off the spikes, so on the shirt a little bit. So then I tried to make a line to fix it and make it look better, and I kind of like messed up and possibly ruined the whole thing. So this is what it looks like right now. It doesn't look too bad on camera. It looks a lot better on camera than it does in person. The second one is going to be a vampire. So all you're going to need is a black shirt. We tried to find one in timber size, but since she's so long, we can't find one that long, so this will just fit her width. And there's already so much dog fur on it. The second thing we're going to need is a piece of felt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make this like the collar part of the vampire. So I don't know how to do that yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is just round off the corners so it's more like a vampire. I don't know how good I am at cutting felt, but it's really complicated to cut felt, and this is what I got, trying to make a rounded edge. So right now, what I'm going to do to make it easier is when I hot glue, I'm just going to hot glue the corners back and try to make it even. And then, so that's what I'm going to do there. And then what I'm doing with the shirt, glue it onto the back of the shirt, so it has the like collar part. The second one is going to be a killer clown. So for this one, all I'm going to do is take a gray shirt, also in timber size. And what I'm going to do to it is first, I'm going to take red paint and kind of try and paint little blood spots on it. It's now the next day and I have finished the clown costume. So I painted red like you saw, and what I also did is I glued red pom-poms on the front to make it more clown-like. And the red didn't really dry looking like blood, but some spots like this part did. But that's not the point. The point is that we tried. So now I'm going to model this on timber.